Abusia vehicle bi a enya accident ewo eye ekrum Ghana. Na police for the krata ba bonten afasa vehicle ya enya accident ho. Police for stickers eta car no anim. A car no registration number AER 765-17. Na sticker na etare nim ne manko fo adwene yo musene na police for na ebe ye Galamsey kura because eye car amode ekoye eye Galamsey sana eye asem no etie nti police for issue krata e de afasa aka ye ka eho asemi ho manko fo adwene abaso abehunu se car no kwa no emise nkofo na mbe na etai e de stickers kotata ho no mo de koye Galamsey na ne uhuna na akwese police for car e no mo de eba na we no na omuma ne so enkoye Galamsey no e na ono no etwa fankofo no so akwakoye ne Galamsey anaso wode ko site ho eno wode ko wura afie mu a so wakum ni post wa eden ande obi anim ho asem yenko ha full video no wode wi a police for kratom de aba na be kan na won so do adwen kire aba
Galamsey car and almost stop no so on your one person of the site and all did and I call Robbie them the police say I had a woman Galamsey we used to Ghana police car at the Galamsey. Boss, a come higher fiance. A come higher fiance. From district in the Asokwa district. Ah, okay. Asokwa district.
All right, eti video no ankasa eni na yenko police for website yenko kan the police for so edi aba efasa aka ya akofa asemi edi aba ye ho. According to police for ensemo matwro dia to abonten and say accident vehicle with police stickers on it in a viral video is not a police vehicle. Police for a confirm say enyomodia. The attention of the Ghana Police Service has been drawn to a viral video in which a truck registration number ER 765-17 with police stickers posted on it is involved in an accident at Nkwansa in the Ashanti region. We would like to state that the said truck does not belong to the Ghana Police Service. Contrary, the claims being circulated on social media and other media platforms. Preliminary investigation indicates that the truck belongs to Road Safety Management Services Limited. The police have since commenced investigation into the whole incident. Inti police for your muhwehwe mu no, omo ehunu se Road Safety Management Services, omo car ena akwakonya accident no, enya Ghana Police dia. Inti minima de kuntia Road Safety for am for almost ka ankota ho. Na omo de Ghana Police die ena kotare ho. Police for aba be chirim se enyo omo dia. Asema da horo no, wetim lo adwen kiraba.
Hello, ebusiafo. So pesifita asracha odofo de and the nafa ho kodom unique laser whitening. Unique laser whitening. Our toothpaste strong kwa. Odi twitwe osin ema osin eye fita na eye fita no nso no na eyi enka bone bia ewo no mu bia any tea stain, coffee stain, smoking stains bia unique laser whitening product ebe yi ni nyina free so ama kama de oba ni say utu so na odi bi egu o brush do so na odi twitwe osin so nyina kama owia enhuhuru wanum gya no wanum saa into for unique laser whitening. I was 07999792330. Unique laser whitening. Or say money ses.
Penifose bibio wi asenti ne da ne atopno na ne pabone fonti e wo se wo bambo hu hia na ne papa mu de Pro Technologies ana me kan fama wo ane Pro Technologies. We are specialized in both sales and installation of CCTV cameras. Yeton Esa install CCTV cameras in the Sour Ghana and NASA brochure now fear Ghana. Now pursue CCTV camera installation. We need Pro Technologies and then Sawaso. We use CCTV camera installation, electric fence, automated gate, access control, video doorbell, and our intercom, and our satellite TV, home theater, so upebiato, and our water, and our pesebe install them out. Pro Technologies, and our software. Na shenen so. Say a video you know from America brochure. And this and papa now pedia. Man, you know, none wants to that form. Make sure you know the web brochure any branch, our Ghana. You need more brow brain into Sika Fire and Sem. Symphony Japadema or Ghana. What da. Nanya Tennessee, yes, general construction. So web brochure, no peso si for Ghana. A day plan be a peso. So I shall see that. And now for no peso. Plant beer, Yebesiama, and which so here solar power, and our bamba once and send the idea. When you need so near Sansuya smart home, a pair from Fidia be a pesticide, a wolf here, and our chumamo de mawo, when you need so. We are just a call away near Sansu are there, the Mahai, and now February Trabedu Ghana, now open full house, room, and our apartments are high for short term and our long term. Yebemo Biani border form, now bamba once and dear, man, you know, and your interior decoration. So as if you're and I assume fear a mount. Yes, sign decoration. Your best yes, you'll be and our officer at the amount. And where is so done for the now who can first install it. And none settings, ye bay at the amount. Our Ghana, Ubehuyan, when Mirror Fradenta, Edward Yacha Dodoa, Ubehuya, our Ashi, Yene Emalin Pharmacy, and what the same building. For information or WhatsApp 401 7570 300 and a plus 401 6992 254. Pro Technologies. We have the solutions for your security and home entertainment needs at affordable prices.